As a global player in logistics and engineering services, we at Khatun Nati have many years of experience designing and constructing logistics terminals and industrial production facilities all over the world. The combined experience and expertise of our business units, supply chain engineering and J-Tec material handling enable us to offer Greenfield EPC services as unique all-in-one packages, a service that hasn't previously been seen on the market. In this specific example, we have designed and constructed the complete warehousing, production facility, offices and process installation for a brand new compounding factory located in the US. At J-Tec Material Handling, every project starts with a thorough plant design that includes optimal logistics flow throughout the facility, from the receipt of the raw materials to the conditioning of the finished products. In this installation, we have designed and erected railcar unloading systems, silos, conveyor lines, a pre-blend installation and 2 main compounding lines. Each compounding line is built on a reception, a dosing and an extruding level. The extruder itself operates as the heart of the installation, as it collects all raw materials and produces the new composite strands. Before the finished product is conditioned, it is cooled, dried, cut and inspected. What is unique about this project is that the plant and its full infrastructure is built in such a way that when requested, the production capacity can be more than doubled in a short period of time. We ensure this by carrying out all the pre-engineering in advance and installing the necessary utilities up front. When all construction works are finished and every process is thoroughly tested and fine-tuned, our engineers see to it that all it takes to start up and control a turnkey installation is a single touch. We are committed to continuously enhancing our automated systems, resulting in high-quality, reliable and efficient solutions custom designed to our clients' needs. One of the biggest advantages of our one-package solution is the centralization of our knowledge and services, as it allows our clients to have one single point of responsibility and contact. It also enables us to provide a fixed budget solution for the entire scope, giving our clients the transparency they deserve when making big investments. Finally, yet importantly, by working with our own people, we succeed in making the difference over and over again.